Hi guys, in this section we'll check how to remove stock from the quality inspection to the unrestricted stock type so that the SD department can sell that product stock to the customer. So firstly we'll check the stock available in the transaction code MMBE. So I have taken one material in the plant 1000 and execute. Here you can see that the 25 quantities are available in quality inspection stock type, out of which let's say 5 quantities will need to move to the unrestricted stock type. So in order to do that, we'll have to use the transaction code MyGo. Here you can select transfer posting, reference document as other, and that moment type we'll choose here is 321. So moment type 321 from the MM side is saying that transfer of posting of material from the quality inspection to the unrestricted. So once you pick this moment type, click on enter, put all relevant information which is mandatory like material number, then plant, then storage location you can take from the stock overview, that is 0001. So same storage location will update here, 0001. Click on enter, put the quantity, let's say 5 pieces we need to move, click on item OK here, then check all the details in material quantity is 5 pieces. Here you can see the moment type 321, put the partner number, let's say partner number is this, and click on check. So here partner number is the one vendor from which you have received the material. So once the document is okay, you can post this document is successfully posted, and then in the stock overview basic list you can just click on refresh button and you will see that materials have been moved. So earlier, like here, now you can see 25 quantities are there and unrestricted use 110. So if I click on refresh, you can see that quality inspection quantity has been decreased with 5 pieces and unrestricted use quantity updated with 115, that is 5 quantity has been updated in this section. So this is how from MM side you can transfer the goods or product quantity from quality inspection to the unrestricted use. This is the first scenario. So in some cases there might be one scenario like if by mistakenly quantity has been moved from quality inspection to the unrestricted, or the scenario is like we have to move back again 5 quantities to the quality inspection stock in order to check it again. So in such cases we can also do reversal, like movement of stock from unrestricted use to the quality inspection, and for that we are using the same transaction code MyGo. You can check this transaction code here, MyGo. So transfer posting is there, document reference is reference document other, but the moment type will be different. So here we are using the moment type as 322, and the moment type 322 means transfer posting to quality inspection, transfer posting quality inspection to unrestricted reversal. That means whatever we did in the first scenario, we are making reversal here in the second scenario. Choose this moment type 322, click on enter, fill out all required details like material, plant, storage locations. Here also the storage location. Click on enter. Let's say we are moving this time 5 pieces from the unrestricted use to the quality inspection for again quality checking. Item OK should be there. Check all details. Here you can see that moment type 322 is there, that is transfer from quality to unrestricted reversal. Okay, once you are satisfied with all the details, you can click on check. So here one error message there, that is enter the vendor. Same way you have to enter the vendor from which you have received this material. So once you have updated the required details, you can click on check and document is okay. Click on post. You can see that the material document has been successfully posted. Again go back to the stock overview. So you can see that here 20 quantities there in quality inspection and 115 quantities in unrestricted use type. So once you refresh, you can see that 5 quantities has been moved again back to the quality inspection, which makes it 20, from 20 to 25, and unrestricted stock has been decreases from 115 to 5. So this is how we can transfer goods from quality to unrestricted or unrestricted to quality stock type from the MM side. Thank you.